The High Court has ordered President William Ruto to appoint another cabinet within 120 days on grounds that the current cabinet does not meet the constitutional threshold of two-thirds gender rule. Justice Jairus Ngaah also called out President William Ruto for recycling incompetent cabinet secretaries and poaching ODM experts from Parliament. The order follows an application by civil society groups that moved to court to challenge Ruto's cabinet, made up of 8 women and 15 men. Chris Tairu reports.
President William Ruto now has a maximum of 4 months to reconstitute his cabinet so that it meets the two-thirds gender rule. A 3-judge bench delivered a ruling Tuesday afternoon in a case filed by the civil society challenging the composition of the cabinet. According to the constitution, there should be no more than two-thirds of either gender in all elective or appointive positions. In the current Ruto's cabinet, there are 8 women consisting of Alice Wahome of Lands, Rebecca Miano of Tourism, Sopan Tuya of Defense, Dr. Deborah Barasa of Environment, Beatrice Asikul of East Africa Community, Anna Cheptumo of Gender, the Attorney General Dorcas Odor, and Mercy Kiru Wanjau is the Secretary to the Cabinet. Men serving in the Cabinet are Musalia Mudavadi, Eden Duale, Kipchumba Murkomen, Davis Chirchir, Hassan Joho, Alfred Mutua, Julius Ogamba, Wycliffe Oparanya, John Mbadi, Eric Muuga, Salim Vuria, Mutai Kagwe, Opio Wandai, Geoffrey Ruku, and William Kafogo. Ruto promised 50% women in the cabinet and pledged to attain the constitutional two-thirds gender rule. Minority Judge Jairus Ngaah called out President William Ruto for recycling incompetent cabinet secretaries and poaching ODM experts from Parliament. The cabinet experts Opio Wandai of Energy, John Mbadi of Treasury, Hassan Joho of Mining, and Wycliffe Oparanya of Cooperatives have been more often than not accused of misleading the government in their policies and directives. In February 2025, the High Court nullified Ruto's presidential advisory offices and gave a Public Service Commission 90 days to audit executive offices with a 120-day report deadline. During former Chief Justice David Maraga's stint at the judiciary, the court ruled that Parliament should be dissolved since it also fails to meet the two-thirds gender rule before a stay order was later issued. For now, all eyes will be on the President to see whether he will appeal the court's decision or go ahead and reconstitute his cabinet.